good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts, and you know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're going to do some food from other parts of the world. We're going to do hummus. Some people call it hummus. I got in trouble for that. But it is actually hummus. It comes from, well, honestly I'm not sure. I've had it from the Greek culture. I've had it from the Middle Eastern culture. They're made a little bit differently, and I kind of like a hybrid of both. So you can make this any way you want to. But I'm going to be honest with you guys. When I first had hummus, I was like, I'm not eating that wallpaper paste. But as time goes on, and you get it made different ways, and you start getting a liking for it a certain way, it grows on you guys. Hummus is wonderful. So healthy, wonderful, basically just chickpeas and seasoning. But hey guys, don't hate it, don't knock it till you try it. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some hummus. Alright, so the supporting cast, I'm going to show you what's in it. Like I said before, it's basically chickpeas with some seasoning. But like I said, different cultures make it a little bit differently. So you got to kind of check those out and see how you want to do them and how you season it. But the supporting cast is as follows. Got chickpeas here in the can. You can use fresh ones if you want. It's just a lot faster for me to do it this way. I got 2 cans of chickpeas. I got some lemon, fresh lemon. I also probably will use some lemon juice because I like mine to be really lemony. Salt and pepper to taste. You know how I get down. Peak Himalayan sea salt. Alright. You gotta have extra virgin olive oil for this. Some turmeric. Now this is, you don't have to have, but this brings that Middle Eastern flavor for me, along with the ground cumin. And then we have some olives. This is just for a topping. Kalamala olives. That's just for the topping. Some smoked paprika. I do suggest smoked paprika for this. And then we got some minced garlic that I'm putting in. And, you know, of course, fresh garlic would probably be best. But I'm using minced today. You got to have some pita bread to serve it with. You can also, a lot of people like it on cucumbers. That's totally up to you. And then one of my little things that I like is I got some pickled red onions there, just and some red wine vinegar, and they're pickled. Whew, that brings the touch to it, I'm telling you. But hey guys, that's the ingredients that goes into it. At least it goes into Big Tone's hummus. Like I said, there's a lot of ways to make this. There's one ingredient that is a staple that I don't use, and it's called tahini, which is it's like a paste, and you can put it in there. It's great. I just personally don't like it, and it is a staple. Most people do use it. I just particularly don't like it. And like I said, I'm making this for my taste. So when you find out the way you like it, make it the way you want to. But tahini is definitely a staple. You probably want to check it out and try it the first couple times. But that's something that I just don't like. But it turns out great this way, and this is the way I like it. But hey guys, let's get started with this. Started with some hummus. In making hummus, I've tried a few different ways. I've tried it with a blender. I've tried it with an emulsion blender. And for some reason, I always go back to the food processor. It leaves it with a consistency that I typically like. So I usually go back to the good old food processor. This is an old one. You can use any. First things first, pour in my garbanzo beans or chickpeas. You drain all the juices off of them. You don't want the juice, you just want the peas. Alright? Put those in in my food processor. First thing I'm going to go in with, And I know I'm going to add more as it goes along. And this is another thing that I want to say about this recipe. This is a recipe, you know me, I usually don't tell you what I'm going, how much of whatever I'm going to put in anything. This is one I especially suggest doing that. Because you have to get the taste the way that you want it. So if I tell you to put in a half teaspoon of salt and it's not what you want, the hummus is not going to taste the way you want it. So you gotta taste as you're going and add as you're going. But we're going to start with the basics. First thing is salt. Pink Himalayan sea salt, you know how I get down. Got some of that in there. Some good old black pepper. You can use white pepper if you want, if you don't want to see it. But I like my black pepper, you know how I do it. And I'm probably going to add more salt, more pepper to this. But like I said, this is the basics. Alright, we're going to go in with, as of right now, 1 heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. Matter of fact, I'm not even going to do it. I'm going to go with 2. Because I know I'm going to add more garlic. I love the garlic flavor in hummus. Next thing is lemon. I'm going to take my lemon. We're going to squeeze 2 lemons into this. And like I said, I probably, and I know I will, probably add some lemon juice as well. Alright, and I see I got a couple little seeds in there. Let me get those out. My fault. There we go. Alright, and I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric powder. This brings my Middle Eastern flavor to it. And we're going to add a little bit of cumin. Bring in a little bit more Middle Eastern flavor. Alright, so we're going to put the top on here. Put the top on. And as we're grinding this up, we're going to add our olive oil to it. So it's going to get a little loud. Alright. So I'm going to take the lid off here so you can see the consistency that I'm shooting for. This is probably just a little bit thick for me, but that's what it's going to look kind of like. I'm going to take a little taste. See what I need to add. I know I'm going to need some more garlic, no more salt, no more pepper, and a little bit more garlic. I already know that. And we're going to add a little bit more lemon juice to this. That's enough garlic, I can tell. And we're going to add some lemon juice. And lemon juice will brighten it up and loosen it up a little bit. Put the lid on. We're going to start it up again. Get a little loud. Alright, I'm going to pop the lid off. And we're going to take another little taste test. Lemon is right. You know what? I'm adding just a little bit more turmeric. Oh yeah, it's getting there. It's right about there though. Enough garlic, a little bit more turmeric, Now, when you get this from like a Mediterranean type place or a Greek place, it won't be the same color. It'll be a little lighter than this. When you get it from like a Middle Eastern place, because they're adding turmeric, some of the other spices, they might even add some coriander, but it's going to turn a little bit yellowish or oranges. So let me turn this back on, mix this turmeric up, and then I should be good to go. We're going to plate this up for you. So this should be it. I'm going to give it another taste test. Let's pop the lid off. You can see it's turning a little bit more yellow because of the turmeric. I'm going to take a little bit of the taste test here. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's right where I want it. So guys, I can't express enough the importance of tasting this as it goes, because it's very hard to give you a measurement of everything that's going to be correct and then you're going to go, oh, this is what I want. So it's best to do this as you're going. But hey guys, that's how you make hummus. I'm going to plate this up on a plate like you get it from a restaurant, so you can see how it comes with the pita bread and all that. But hey guys, give me a second, let me plate this up. So there you have it. Some good old homemade hummus. Now like I said, depending on the restaurant you get it in, whether it's Middle Eastern or whether it's Mediterranean, it'll be a little different color because they're using different spices to season with. But hey guys, this is the way I like it. But like I said, on your own, experiment. Do what you want to do. But the basic thing is chickpeas, salt and pepper, olive oil, and lemon. And if you want to add the tahini, you can. The turmeric and the cumin, those are optional ingredients. That's just the way I like it. But hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Good old homemade hummus. Hey guys, don't knock it till you try it. It's very flavorful. But like I said, when I first heard about it, I was like, I'm not eating that. But hey, it's grown on me and I love it. I absolutely love it. But hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Let me get a little piece of my pita here. And like I said, a lot of people like it on cucumbers. I just happen to not like it that way. Let me get some of that. Get a little bit of that onion. Oh my God. I'm telling you guys, it's soul food just from another part of the world. That's all it is. Boy, that's good. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like the video, make sure you go down below, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.